What is up guys, Tanit this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam family sharing not working. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam or steampower.com. After that, you will be redirected to this type of page of Steam wherein at the top you will see the option of login. Simply click on that, and if you are new to Steam, log in or sign up with your email, password, and other credentials to create your new Steam account. But if you already have a Steam account, simply click on login and then you will be automatically logged in to Steam. Now, after that, on the left side, you will see the button to install Steam. Click on that button and then install the Steam application. Now, after installing the Steam application, this type of dashboard will appear. And now on the left side, click on the Steam icon, and after that, click on Settings. After coming to the settings, click on this Family tab, and then here you will see all the accounts that you have embedded here in the family group. So from here, make sure that every account is checked and legitimate. If any of the account has some problems or is a fake account, so Steam won't be able to let that account access the games or whatsoever. And if it still doesn't work, go to Security tab and then click on Manage Steam Guard. Now from here, a new window will appear wherein you can get Steam Guard code Steam app on your phone, or you can get Steam Guard codes by email. You can enable two of these technologies. You can choose from one of these, and after that, you can just apply them and you are done. A new security layer will be added to your Steam account. So any of the family member wants to access it, that account needs the code, and after entering the code only, they will be able to access the games. So this is how you can fix the Steam game family not sharing issue. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.